Today, we will talk to you about Canadian fisheries, trade and economics. In Canada, fisheries products are the largest single food commodity export. Canada exported an outstanding $4.14 billion in fish and seafood products in 2012, an increase of $41 million from 2011. Canada has one of the world's most valuable commercial fishing industries, worth more than $5 billion a year. Fishing provides more than 120,000 jobs to Canadians. This is mainly on the coastal side of Canada. Canada exported fish and seafood products to 118 countries last year, with approximately 62% of these exports for the United States. The People's Republic of China and the European Union are also significant markets, importing more than $439 million and $343 million worth of Canadian fish and seafood products in 2012. Canada's largest exports by value were lobster, snow and queen crab, Atlantic salmon, and shrimp. Environmental impacts. Canada's Atlantic pelagic longline fishery for swordfish and other tunas remains with severe conservation concerns. For every 100 kilograms of swordfish or other marketable species brought to the dock, 71 kilograms of the other marine animals are thrown overboard. Although many of the unwanted animals in Canada's pelagic longline fishery are released alive, a significant fraction of those animals die after they're released. Many endangered animals such as the leatherback and loggerhead turtles, several species of overfished pelagic sharks, depleted tunas, marlins, and seabirds are killed by mistake in longline fishing, which contributes greatly to their extinction. Moving towards sustainability. The most effective, sustainable way to not fish unwanted species is to just understand the animal you're fishing for. For example, knowledge of the species' life histories, migration patterns, fishing for them in a specific time of the year so they have time to replenish. So this way, these fish are there for future generations. Another way would be for smaller industries to use the more traditional fishing ways, like the hook and line methods, catching specifically the ones you want, or cast nets that are thrown from shore and catch a good amount of fish, and any fish caught by mistake can be released back into the sea. Thank you for listening.